This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by NEWISH. Spacious and updated 3-bedroom unit, on second level, with lake view, sliding doors in living room leading to balcony. Washer and dryer inside the unit. The kitchen has granite countertop and newish appliances, the bathrooms have been updated. Gated community with huge clubhouse with swimming pool, SPA, exercise room, tennis, play area. Convenient location, close to Pembroke Pines Mall, stores, restaurants and hospital. For more information, review the details below.